This is a small tip regarding how to log into a Windows instance. So let's launch a Windows instance first. You can come down, click on launch instance, and you can give a name such as Windows 101 and select Windows under quick start. Select the latest Windows AMI. Come down, instance type T2 micro is okay, but I just want to use a larger one. I'm going to use T3 large. Key pair, if you have already created a key pair, please select that. If not, you can click on create new key pair and select. And in security group, you need one port to be opened, that is the RDP port. So include this particular rule in your security group. No other changes there. Come down and click on launch instance. It will take a couple of minutes, so let's wait till the instance is up and running. Now our machine is ready. You can see Windows 101 is up and running. Let's log into Windows 101 machine. Select the machine, select the server, click on connect, and here you select RDP client. First thing is we have to get the password. For getting the password, you will have to upload your key pair. Click on get password, upload private key file. So whichever you had used for launching the EC2, you have to use the same thing. This is the key which I had used, open. So it uploads that private key. Now come down and say decrypt password. So you got the password here and the username is this. Now for logging into that machine, you have to download the remote desktop file. It has downloaded here. Click on that and open it. It says connect. So it is asking for the password. Password is right here. So just go there and paste it. You can select remember me and OK. It is asking, do you want to connect despite these certificate errors? That is okay, you can ignore it. So it is logging into the new Windows machine. It is still coming up. So it looks like our Windows laptop. Let it come up. We'll have to wait for a couple of minutes. If you use a T2 micro, it may take more time. That's why I use T3 large. So you can see that the server has come up and it is asking, do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable? Say no. You can open your command prompt, for example, and you can issue the normal DOS commands, etc. So this is how you log into a Windows instance. So this was a simple, quick tip. Though it is very simple and straightforward, many people actually get confused how to log into a Windows EC2 instance. So once you are done with it, you can close this, close it here, and go to EC2 console and terminate the machine. Okay, that's it. Hope it was useful. I will upload other such useful tips in my channel. Thank you.